28 ingredients versus 10 ingredients, and they taste the same. Maybe mine tastes better. You should try it and find out for yourself. I don't know anyone who doesn't love cinnamon rolls. I definitely love cinnamon rolls. I have gotten a lot more conscious about what ingredients go into things or how many ingredients go into things when I'm grocery shopping, and that started to really turn me off from buying store-bought cinnamon rolls. So I wanted to see if I could make a homemade version that had way fewer ingredients, all natural ingredients, and see if it could actually taste as good. I think my favorite part of the process is when you're letting the dough proof, because that's the time where you cover it up, you walk away from it, you let it rise, and you just get to take a break and think about the delicious cinnamon rolls that you're going to have in a little bit. The inside of a store-bought cinnamon roll is usually filled with butter and sugar, and we wanted to get the same sweetness but without all of that. So we instead did applesauce, brown sugar, and cinnamon. When I look at the ingredients on some of these cinnamon rolls and realize I'm eating things like corn syrup and xanthan gum and polycarbonate 60, I don't think I even said that right, I don't know what that is, yellow 5, red -40? If I can make a cinnamon roll that doesn't have those things, in which I can name and pronounce and know what every ingredient is, I'm just gonna feel better eating that. And then once you have all those ingredients together, you roll out your dough just like you would a regular cinnamon roll. And it's really cool once you actually get to like cut up that log and pull it out and see the cinnamon roll rounds, and they look exactly like any other cinnamon roll. It's really satisfying. No cinnamon roll is complete without a delicious, gooey frosting on top. So we opted for light cream cheese, vanilla extract, almond milk, and a little bit of maple syrup to just sweeten it up, and it worked beautifully as a frosting. It was so good. We went around the office and made everybody try them to see if they could tell if this was a store-bought roll or a homemade roll.
They're really good. It's really good.
Mine is really tasty. Like, I want that on everything.
I think they're way better than the store-bought.
If you didn't tell us that this was made with whole wheat flour, I don't think I would be hungry.
No, this tastes just like, I don't know, the name brand stuff.
This is really good. Can I have this whole thing?
And everybody was so surprised when I was like, this is whole wheat flour, this is almond milk, this is like very low sugar, it's applesauce, and everyone was really surprised, which always makes me happy. "28 ingredients are listed on the store-bought cinnamon rolls that we had, and only 10 ingredients were in mine. And they taste just as good, maybe better. You should make them yourself and see